What jumped out at you, Melissa?
Hi, thank you. S&P Global Visible Alpha consensus was looking for 84.3 billion in total revenues, driven by 47.6 in search, 7.8 billion in Google Network, and 9 billion in YouTube revenues, and then cloud 10.2 billion. So I think you can see sort of a mixed result there. Cloud coming in at 10.4, so a little bit better, but YouTube at 8.66, a little bit soft there, and then the other businesses broadly in line with expectations.
On the ad front, particularly when it comes to YouTube here, I mean, what do you think accounted for that softness? And we should say softness is very relative in that use of the phrase.
It's a tough environment at the moment. I think one of the takeaways that we heard from the Kagan Media and Telecom Summit last week was that overall ad spend is trending a bit on the soft side. And I think, maybe we see a little bit of that coming in to the broader market and it impacting their business a bit. I'll be very keen to hear what management has to say about the outlook and how we should be thinking about the granularity of that for both the quarter and the rest of the year.
I'm wondering also, Melissa, how much do tough comparisons from last year play a role here in terms of maybe cooling investor expectations for what they can actually get this quarter? Indeed.
I mean, the company has done quite well in the first half of this year on the back of those robust expectations from the second half of last year. So I think, as we look into the second half of this year and into 2025, investors may be saying, we want to see companies that are both beating in the quarter and beating in terms of what the outlook is being expected. So for Q3 right now, consensus is expecting $1.85. And then looking for the full year, $7.63. So I think those are broadly where the market is pricing at the moment.